Sure, here's a high-quality, engaging article tailored for a YouTube video script reviewing the Yamaha YZF R1 2025 model. It's structured to grab viewers' attention, keep them engaged, and deliver all the key details. Intro 0:100, Title, 2025 Yamaha YZF R1000 Review, Beast Unleashed. Speed, style, and sheer dominance. Welcome to the ultimate review of the 2025 Yamaha YZF R1000. Let's dive into the power-packed world of this two-wheeled monster. Segment 1 Design and Styling 0:30. The 2025 YZF R1000 carries Yamaha's aggressive DNA with a futuristic upgrade. Sleek aerodynamic lines, sharper LED headlamps, and a redesigned tail section give it a cutting-edge presence on the road and the track. The dual-tone color schemes, including a new midnight blue with neon accents, scream speed even at a standstill. Segment 2 Engine and Performance 130. Under the fairings lies a 998cc inline-4 engine, now refined for 2025 with updated EQ mapping and improved airflow dynamics. Power, 205 HP at 13,500 RPM. Torque, 115 Nm at 11,000 RPM. Top speed, electronically limited to 299 km/h, but it's capable of more. With ride-by-wire throttle and variable valve actuation, the R1000 responds with lightning-fast acceleration, whether you're on the street or tearing up the track. Segment 3 Handling and Suspension 3 o'clock. The bike is built on a Delta Box aluminum frame, ensuring rigidity and lightweight maneuverability. Front, fully adjustable KYB-USD forks. Rear, monoshock with linkage, tuned for aggressive cornering. Brakes, dual 320mm discs with Brembo calipers up front, and single-disc rear, powerful, progressive, and confidence-inspiring. Traction control, cornering abs, and a 6-axis IMU give riders full control under any condition. Segment 4 Technology and Features 4:30. Yamaha's latest TFT instrument cluster now includes smartphone connectivity, GPS-based telemetry, and customizable ride modes. Features include quickshifter up and down, launch control, cruise control, slipper clutch, auto blipper. This isn't just a bike, it's a smart superbike. Segment 5 Rider Comfort and Ergonomics 5:30. Despite its race-ready build, the YZF R1000 offers surprising comfort for long rides. The revised seat padding and better heat management make it more rider-friendly. The clip-ons are aggressive but not extreme, striking a balance between street and sport ergonomics. Segment 6 Verdict 6:30. The 2025 Yamaha YZF R1000 is a true masterpiece, blending raw power, advanced tech, and unmistakable Yamaha engineering. Whether you're a track junkie or a speed lover on the streets, this beast delivers heart-racing performance and unmatched style. Pros: insane power and throttle response. Top-tier electronics package. Killer looks and aerodynamics. Cons: not beginner-friendly. Premium price tag. Final score: 9.5/10. Outro 7:30. So, what do you think of the 2025 Yamaha R1000? Would you ride it or race it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more two-wheeled reviews. Ride safe, ride fast. Want me to turn this into a script with voiceover cues, visuals, or add background music suggestions too?